In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a content calendar in Clickup 2025, step by step. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting, having a robust content calendar can be a game changer in managing your projects and staying organized. Let's dive right in and get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Clickup's website, clickup.com. This tool is incredibly versatile and acts as an all-in-one app for managing your tasks, goals, and of course your content calendar. If you already have a ClickUp account, click on the login button you'll find at the top right corner of the page. If you're not logged in yet, now is the time to sign in. Click on sign in with Google to make the process quicker and more seamless. After clicking the Google sign in option, you'll be prompted to select your Google account from the list provided. Choose the account you want to use and you'll be redirected back to ClickUp once you've selected it. This integration with Google makes accessing Clickup much easier if you're already in the Google ecosystem. Once you're logged into Clickup, look towards the upper right corner of your dashboard. You'll see three little dots. Click on them. This action will open up additional menu options. Among these options, you'll find Templates. Click on it and then delve into Browse Templates. In the Browse Templates section, a small search bar will be your best friend. Type in Calendar to filter through the available templates quickly. Scroll through the results and you should see an option labeled Content Calendar. This is the template we'll be using to structure our calendar today. After locating the Content Calendar template, you'll notice an option labeled Quick Use. This option allows you to apply the template swiftly without any hassle. Click on Quick Use and the template will automatically integrate into your workspace. The calendar that appears after you apply the template can be customized to fit your needs. Spend some time editing the content calendar to suit your preferences. You can adjust settings such as task names, due dates and descriptions, ensuring that the calendar fits perfectly with your content strategy. And there you have it, a fully customized content calendar within ClickUp. By following these steps, you've enhanced your ability to manage your content creation process. With your new content calendar in place, stay ahead of deadlines, plan your content with intent, and boost your productivity. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.